Sang Taytay Lehom. I am Marian Datulaita, born on December 19, 1990, 35 years old, from Manila, Philippines. I am married but separated and blessed with three children, aged 7, 4, and 1 year old. I am high school graduated and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months. From May 2015 to August 2017, I served one couple and three children, aged 7 and 5 and 3 years old. I worked as a housemaid in Philippines for 7 years and 1 month, from May 2018 to June 2025. I served one couple and two children, aged 13 years old and newborn baby.
Hello, Miss Mary Ann Datulaita. How are you today?
I'm good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need.
Okay. So what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus on my work and do my best to improve it.
Okay. What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
All right. What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regular check the diaper if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, but is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call the doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I badly needed this job. It will help me to grow as a person. It will be a big help for my family. I promise do my best, do my duties and when possible, and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Mary Ann Datulaita, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.